Good morning, everybody. Or good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are in the world. I have exciting news. I promise I keep it together. I was emotional this morning. But yes, I can finally say, when you guys ask, do you have a cookbook? Yes, I do. And you can get your copy right now on Amazon. So I will put the link in the description below. Or you can just go to Amazon.com, type in Simply Mama Cooks, and my cookbook will be there, and you can click on it and get your copy. I'm so excited. I've been on YouTube for 6+ years, and I always got asked the question, do you have a cookbook? And the answer was always no. But today I can say yes. And I always want to give thanks to you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for just encouragement. Thank you for being part of this channel. Thank you for being part of this cookbook journey, because a lot of you had a huge role in this cookbook process. I even put a community poll and just posts about what recipes did you want to see in there, or what are your favorite recipes, top 10, top 5, and I really tried to do the best I could to compile the recipes that I thought you guys wanted to see in the cookbook. Obviously, I have tons of recipes and they're not all in the cookbook, but I really just want to thank you for always being encouraging and supporting me across all social media platforms. By the way, you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me. I have a Facebook page. You can also follow me on TikTok. Last time I posted about that on YouTube, I got a lot of negative comments. So just, if you got something negative to say, just keep it to yourself. I don't know what, I mean, you can put it if you want, but you don't have to follow me there. But I definitely post videos that I don't post in other places. On Instagram, I condense a lot of my recipe videos. So if you want a quicker version of this YouTube video recipes, I actually post them on Instagram and on TikTok. So there is an option for those, for those recipes. But anyways, today my cookbook is out. The official release date will be August 17th. That's Monday. I'm sorry, I didn't even know pre-order sales was a thing. That goes to show you I am so new to self-publishing. But yes, go now to Amazon, purchase your copy, show some love, show some support. And as always, my recipes, they are on YouTube. And for those of you that probably want to know, especially locally, initially when I started the cookbook process, I did want to do a book signing like at local grocery stores or Barnes & Noble, just wherever I can kind of squeeze in there to have a public venue to sign. But because of the way things are now, I'm putting that on hold. I hope someday in the future I will think of a creative, safe way to do a book signing for you guys. But for right now, they are directly print on demand, print to order from Amazon or wherever you order it from to you. So anyways, this is exciting. I think I did well keeping it together. I did get emotional this morning, but thank you. Thank you. It's always thank you. I'm very grateful to you guys. So I hope you have a lovely day, lovely evening, wherever you are in the world. My family in Korea is very excited. We called them and woke my mother-in-law up, and she's just so excited. She tells everybody. So this is a very exciting time for my family right now, and I really want to just enjoy the moment. So anyways, but I did want to share that with you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We can finally say Simply Mama has a cookbook. Okay, guys, have a wonderful day.